Hello, welcome. It's another exciting time in Bloom's kitchen. Today we are going to be doing a very simple, beginner-friendly, easy one-pot rice dinner. You know, there are times you just don't know what to cook and you just go through your pantry, through your fridge, and you just throw a bunch of ingredients into the pot. That is pretty much what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to go right now to check out what ingredients I'm going to be using. And please, if you haven't subscribed, this would be a fantastic time to do so. Don't forget to turn on your notification. That way you see new videos I release every single week. Sit back, relax. I'll be right back and we'll get started. Welcome back. So for our easy one-pot rice dinner, I'm going to be using rotisserie chicken, some thyme, oregano, garlic, black pepper, salt, chicken bouillon powder, paprika, ginger, canola oil, some parsley. You can use fresh parsley if you have. Cayenne pepper to taste, some turkey kielbasa sausage, onions, diced tomatoes, some parboiled rice. You can use any rice of your choice, shrimp, bell pepper, and chicken stock or any other meat stock you have. Sit back, we'll get started. I'm just going to start cooking right away. I'm not going to show prep or anything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And here we have it. Our easy one-pot rice dinner is ready. I left the shells on the shrimp for added flavor, so you can remove the shells if you want. Use any meat or vegetable combination of choice. It's really super easy, quick and simple. Please don't forget to like. Leave me a comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, kindly support me by clicking on the subscribe and turn on your notification. That way you see new videos I release every week. Until next time when I bring you another amazing recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. See ya.